Hello. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail stars to better organize your emails. This simple tool can make managing your inbox much easier and ensure that important messages never get lost in the shuffle. To start, open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, head to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is easy to spot because it looks just like a small gear. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will bring you to the full settings page where you'll find multiple tabs at the top. By default, the General tab will be selected, which is where you'll find a variety of customizable options. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Stars. Here you'll see the different star icons that you can use to mark and prioritize your emails. Gmail's default setting gives you just a single yellow star, but you can add multiple types of stars and symbols to better categorize your messages. To customize, simply drag the star icons from the Not in Use section into the In Use section. These are the stars you'll be able to cycle through when marking emails. If you ever want to make changes later, you can revisit this settings section and adjust your selection. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply your customizations. Now that your star settings are ready, return to your inbox. This is where the real organization magic happens. Locate an email you want to flag and click the star icon next to the sender's information. Once clicked, the star will highlight, making the email stand out visually and marking it as important. Starred emails also automatically appear in the starred folder, giving you quick access to crucial messages. If you've added multiple types of stars, you can continue clicking on the star icon to cycle through different colors and symbols. This feature is perfect for further categorizing emails, for example, marking some as urgent or flagging others for follow-up. By following these steps, you can easily manage your inbox and ensure that important emails are always front and center. Using Gmail stars effectively saves time, improves productivity, and helps you maintain a clear and organized inbox. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you make the most of your Gmail and other productivity tools.